How does bankruptcy filing work? Well, first, we qualify you. Are you qualified to file a bankruptcy? If you want a quick answer, go to qualifyme.com. That's KWALIFYME.com, qualifyme.com, and find out in 5 minutes right on your cell phone. You'll get your debt to income ratio and a quick analysis. You'll also be able to go to suitstoppers.com and see if a lawsuit against you has been reported. Here's a little more, okay? We look to see how much debt you have. If it's less than $10,000 or more, you probably shouldn't be filing. You need debt that you can eliminate to make it worthwhile. Medical bills, lawsuits, credit cards, personal loans, repossessions. It's nice. Most of our clients have more than $10,000 to get rid of. Make a list of all your debt and what it's for. You can find a form at infotapes.com. Remember, some debts don't appear on credit reports, so gather your bills and even old debts that can chase you. A debt from 5 or 8 years ago, list it. Secondly, we want to know what kind of debt you have. So if you have more than $10,000 in debt and it's the kind you can get rid of, is it the kind you want to get rid of? Or is it the kind you want to pay, like vehicles, credit unions? Or is it government student loans that you may not be able to get rid of? So you can make a short list using our form. You can get a free credit report on yourself to see what's reported to credit bureaus. There's a link at infotapes.com. And the third step is, in filing a bankruptcy, you want to get a free phone mini consultation. So once you know how much you owe, who you owe it to, what kind of debt it is, the third step is get a free phone mini consultation. 1-800-CALL-PFG is real easy. 8 in the morning till 7 at night. You'll need competent advice. At least you'll need an analysis first to determine whether Chapter 7 or 13 is right for the type and amount of debt you have and also for your income level. Don't make the mistake of thinking that you can pick your chapter, or we can even pick it for you on the telephone. You don't know as much as we do, frankly. We're highly experienced attorneys. This is a complicated business, so there's a lot that can be done either with Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, depending upon how much debt you have, what kind of debt it is, and what you want to do with it and what you want to accomplish. After you get your free phone mini consultation, if we think you should go any further, you can start uploading your documents. That's step 4. If we decide that we can help you, we'll give you access to the Geraci Law Client Corner. We'll run an Experian soft pull and get an idea of what's at the credit bureau. We'll get a Kelly Blue Book value on your vehicle. We'll estimate your house value if you have one, and more. You can then upload your necessary documents such as tax returns, bank statements to our Client Corner. It's our Geraci Law Client Corner client portal. Things like pay stubs, bank statements, contracts, bills, and tax returns that we may want to look at to give you competent advice. Easy to take a shot of them on your phone or upload a PDF right to Client Corner. Number 5, the last step before filing is get a virtual or in-office interview. Talk to a real live bankruptcy lawyer, not some salesperson. There's outfits out there on the internet that are purely sales outfits. They call them lead generations. You could be talking to somebody in a foreign country. You don't know who you're talking to. They've got chat bots that aren't even humans. Stay away from all that stuff. Big waste of time. Get a virtual or in-office interview and get your options, your costs, and then retain us, little or no money down. You'll know everything before you start. We'll figure a payment plan, and you've got yourself a lawyer, a real live lawyer from Geraci Law. We may refer you to take a 20-minute online finance course, which costs $25. You'll have to take such a course before you file. You can take my credit counseling course online for free to see what it's like. Just log into infotapes.com. After we've qualified you and you've hired us, we'll then prepare a bankruptcy petition. It's about 50 pages long. You have to review it. We'll also assemble the documents necessary to file the case, and some of them you will have already uploaded. After you sign the petition, and you can sign it electronically right on your cell phone, we're high tech, we'll file it with the court, and after we file it with the court, we'll post all your documents on your secure Geraci Law Client Corner portal, where you'll get all your messages, instructions, documents, and even videos, again, right on your cell phone. You'll get video about your meeting of creditors and about taking your second debtor education course. You can take that second course that's required to get a discharge right on your phone. I teach it. It's certified by the Administrative Office of the United States Trustee in Bankruptcy. It's one of the only courses in the country actually taught by an experienced bankruptcy attorney. Then after filing, we'll go with you, either by Zoom or in person, to a short interview with a court-appointed bankruptcy trustee. The trustee goes over your petition and approves it. If you filed Chapter 13, your plan will then be confirmed by the court and you'll make the necessary monthly payment. If you filed Chapter 7, we'll handle all the paperwork with vehicles or mortgages that you want to keep, and you'll get a discharge. That happens around 4 months after filing a Chapter 7.